So I'm really, really excited to tell you about what I am going to be exploring. So earlier this year, I had formed a nonprofit, 501c3, and I sort of had an idea of what I wanted to do with it, but I wasn't ever 100% sure. I knew that I wanted to do the Learn to Love Yourself sessions. It had a lot to do with the stuff that I was doing in Art Prize, and it all had to do with being authentically yourself. So it is called Authentically BeYOUtiful, B-E-Y-O-U, okay? So while I was going through all of this, I always feel like everything that we go through for a reason. There's never, otherwise it's just stuff and things and experiences and why go through it, right? I mean, so when I did my boudoir session with my husband, both of them, I did two of them, before my surgery, I knew that was such an important thing for me to do. I knew that I didn't want to wait. I knew that I needed to do it right then because, again, we don't know the schedules of these things. We have no idea what it's going to look like. And I'm so thankful that I did. And I've done another video about that. But I wanted to tell you that I am going to be using my nonprofit. I am going to be, I don't know all the details because, again, drug brain, totally not like 100% on all of this yet, right? I want to be able to give that to everyone that is facing this. I want to be able to offer boudoir sessions, empowering boudoir sessions for women that are facing mastectomy, double mastectomy, even a lumpectomy, any kind of change, any cancer. If they're going to lose their hair, I want to do a beautiful photo session with them. I want to be able to have them capture, love, the bodies that they were in right at that moment, and then help them to transition to say goodbye to those bodies. I would have been very, very sad and very devastated if I had chosen to wait and to not do it. I mean, you guys, I have one boob, right? Here, I have one boob. This right here is all gone, okay? This is the other one I still have, but soon I'm getting rid of that one, okay? I am no less beautiful. I am no less of a person. But I wanted to remember what I looked like before I went through all of the surgeries. And at the time, I thought I was going to be losing my hair as well. And so I wanted to make sure to do a boudoir session with my hair curly and straight so that I could remember what my hair looked like both ways. So I'm very, very exciting, and I will be launching this very soon. There will be no cost for the women that are going through this. This will be completely free to them. I don't think that I could have ever offered this had I not gone through it myself. I don't think that I could sit across from a woman with my camera and say to you, yeah, I know what it's like, because I wouldn't have had a clue. But now I do. I know how you feel. I know how scared you are. I know how much you're not looking forward to this. I know how much you don't want to have to go through what you're about to go through. But my little tiny piece that I can give you is somebody that's been there. I understand. I know that I was created for such a time as this. I was created with this purpose. And if I have to go through all the stuff that I've gone through, and if I had to go through cancer and surgeries and all of this so that I can help you, so that I can walk alongside you and I can walk with you and I can hold your hand and I can say I've been there, and you can meet with me in my studio and we can cry together and we can laugh together and I can make you feel amazing. Every moment of my battle that I've gone through is worth it then. Every moment. We're gonna have fun. We are going to laugh. We will have a sisterhood and a bond that other people don't have. And so I'm really, really excited to be pulling that together during my recovery. And I will be offering that starting right away to anybody. So if you guys know of anybody that is facing a mastectomy, is facing a surgery, has breast cancer, anything like that, even if it's a cancer where it's terminal, you guys, I want to be able to capture those moments for you so that you have those memories to cherish forever. Be kind to yourselves, love yourselves, and always, always be authentically and fully and completely and totally you, because nobody else can be just like you are, and you were made, created, and developed and designed perfectly.